YouTube, what is up? This is Sneef and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on the AZ screen recorder. I'm gonna be telling you the best settings for YouTube and how to get the best quality and FPS with the app. So let's get started.
Nice.
So first of all, open the AZ screen recorder app. Then go to the settings page at the top right. Then go to resolution. Click on resolution and select 1920 by 1080p. That is the best for YouTube. Then click on frame rate and click on 60 fps if you have a high-end device, or otherwise stick with 30 fps. Go to bitrate and click on 8 because that is the best bitrate for YouTube. Then you have an option for audio source. If you have a mic that you want to record, then you can record it also. Otherwise, internal audio will already be selected, which will enable you to allow the voice of your apps. So that was all. Just remember, resolution 1920 by 1080, frame rate 30 fps, bitrate 8 mbps. This was a sneak from Dos Pros Gaming and Tech.